Welcome to this explainer on growing an asparagus patch that literally lasts for decades. Let's dig in. Yeah, 30 years. A well-planned bed can keep pumping out delicious spears for up to 3 decades. Here's our checklist: planting crowns, harvest timelines, weed control, and tackling pests and the environment. First up, grab 1-year-old crowns. Go for healthy varieties like Mary Washington or the all-male Jersey Knight. Plant them using these exact measurements. The roots absolutely need that space to spread out horizontally. Patience is key here. Harvesting early in year 1 or 2 cripples the roots and ruins future yields. Always follow the pencil rule. If emerging spears look thinner than a standard pencil, stop harvesting immediately. To harvest, just bend the spear toward the ground. It'll naturally snap right where it's free of tough fiber. Take a look at this. Once your patch matures, you absolutely got to shift fertilization to the summer. Weeds will literally destroy your yield. Cultivate lightly and use salt super sparingly to avoid long-term damage. So, what about those frustratingly bent, crooked spears? Let's troubleshoot some common environmental mysteries. Spears grow fast. The healthy side outpaces the injured side, literally bending the spear toward the damage. Another weird issue? Sometimes those normally tight green asparagus heads suddenly become loose and spread out. Basically, a sudden spike in hot weather forces the stems to develop and spread way too early. Seeing smaller spears every year, you're probably dealing with high fall temperatures or poor growing conditions. To save it, water heavily in late summer and absolutely leave those ferns up until late September. It's crazy, but letting those spears turn into massive ferns is what fuels next year's entire harvest. It takes serious patience up front, but a 30-year payoff? That's incredible. Are you ready to plant yours?